Yeah, I've been rammed into.
Offside behind me. Speed. Whoa!
Narrowly avoid.
He's not getting away there. He's like, listen, I want to get home. Oh. Where's he going? Where's he going?
Okay, Vic.
Yo, mate. You okay, yeah?
Contact. Vehicle spun out. Stand by. Contact.
Okay, guys, we've got another one. This one is a Volkswagen Golf 1.9 TDI. A disqualified driver tried to get away from the police. Let's jump straight to it, guys. Right, here we are. Okay, we've got next to him.
You, over, turn it off. Hey? Turn the...
Hey? He said, hey? What, you to tell me to turn my car off? I'm trying to get home.
Off now.
No, you don't tell me. Tell me. I'm trying to block him now.
Yeah, I've been rammed into.
He's just rammed him. Blocked him.
Yeah, I've been rammed into.
Been rammed. Just drove around him. See there, mate. I got
Quick Tango 59, urgent traffic vehicle front stop.
Police officer's going
Suspected drink driver.
Just got suspect drink. Oh, he's drinking.
Yes, received them. Can I dispute authorised? Please start exploring tactical options.
Alright, okay.
I have been rammed to the rear, but I'm okay to continue.
This is a good video. This is
Vehicle is all over the road.
Everyone's moving out of the way.
Speed is 48. I am going to keep this medium risk. Takes offside.
Offside behind me. Speed. Whoa!
Narrowly avoid. Bravo Foxtrot. Takes offside.
Look at that. The guy's coming right there. Look how close he is. Look. That is close.
Narrowly avoid. Bravo Foxtrot 17. Can't get the rest of the index.
Did he like go into that curb back?
Narrowly avoid. Bravo Foxtrot 17. Can't get the rest of the index.
Okay. Still going.
Still medium risk.
Let's go on.
No, I'm now going to make this high risk due to us entering Aveley High Street. Speed
Definitely
currently 30.
Definitely high risk. He's drunk and he's trying to get away. What was he thinking?
That's fine. Can I have an update, please?
He's not getting away.
DRA.
I mean, look, man, it's like everyone trying to get home from work.
Stay right. Okay, it's now left onto Ship Lane. Okay, we've
left. Oh,
overtaken a bus.
His rims, man. It's curb now.
Sorry, I've just been brake checked. We've overtaken a bus.
One old.
No inconvenience caused to other road users. People can see him coming.
Mess of coil up with the bumps over there.
All units, advance warning the junction 31
This is like
roundabout.
a 30 miles per hour police chase. Where's he going? Is he going to go past the red light? He's going to do it, isn't he? Oh, green lights. That's nice. That's magic.
Okay, it's not one. It's not
red
one.
Lights.
It's not two.
He's not going to do it, is he? He is.
Reaches a red ATS, but shows caution.
Naughty boy. Naughty tawty.
Okay, takes a third. We're now the A282 Dartford River crossing.
Is he still going like 30 miles per hour? He must be on lit mode like my Seat Leon. On lit mode. I couldn't get away anyway.
Ideally, if we can get more resources ahead, this will be a multi-car box. Hopefully VGMA can get
nice
where
bridge, though, that is.
Okay, we're just passing junction 2.
Oh my god, the police chase is still happening.
Sorry, comms issues. Vehicle is committed M25. Track 8 towards junction 3. Still lane 44.
Oh,
Speed
the police
55.
officer trying to close this.
Still going to keep us low risk.
This guy's
We're not
probably
doing
already
anything
made
else
it
at the
home
moment
by
to
now.
progress.
Sun's gone down.
Weaving over lane 4.
I really don't.
PLC never driving.
This is the longest pursuit of 30 miles per hour. Guys indicating left.
Advance one of the junction, standby.
I don't think he wants to get stopped. He's like, listen, I want to get home. Oh, where's he going?
Okay, vehicle's taking the off slip. A2.
15 speeds now 70, lane 2 and 4 on the front of the slip road. So we're trying to
Is that him?
keep on.
Is he next to him?
Keep the vehicle
He's
on
next to him,
stop,
look,
take
there
the
he
lane,
is.
Scott.
Would have been like, yo mate, you okay, yeah? GTA 6. Don't come out yet.
Contact. Vehicle spun out. Stand by. Contact.
Full left in it. Get back the car quick. Get the taser. Don't move.
Get out the car!
Get out.
Out the car now!
What are you doing this, yeah? I don't think the guy can get out.
Oh mate, you're under arrest for failing to stop dangerous driving. You do not have to say anything about harming defensive skill mention my question, so sorry in court. Anything you do say may be given evidence.
Watch your leg, that's it.
Leather jacket.
And then take his pew.
Nice leather jacket.
Thank you very much. Take a seat there, alright?
Job done. That was a pretty crazy one, man. Probably a very unusual police chase. I've never seen a police chase where the car driver is going like 30 miles per hour, indicating, just minding his own business, jumping on the motorway. A long police chase as well. And then crazy how the police driver just spun him out. Crazy. Good one. That was a good one. If you guys enjoyed that, as usual, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next one. Fellow brother Hood Sticks.